Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make quinoa roti. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of quinoa flour and half a cup of whole wheat flour. Also, have warm water, a pinch of salt, and a little oil ready. Using finely ground quinoa flour is key for a smooth dough. This combination creates a nutritious and delicious flatbread that's easy to prepare at home. Now, let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your quinoa and whole wheat flours with the salt. Slowly add warm water, mixing and kneading until you achieve a soft, pliable dough. It should not be sticky. Once formed, cover the dough and let it rest for at least 15 minutes. This resting period is crucial for the dough to relax, making it easier to roll later. With your dough rested, it's time to roll and cook. Divide the dough into small, equal portions about the size of a golf ball. Lightly flour your surface and roll each portion into a thin, round disc, roughly 6 inches in diameter. Heat a griddle or tawa over medium-high heat. Cook each roti for about 1 minute per side until you see golden brown spots and it puffs up slightly. This quick cooking ensures a soft texture. And there you have it, delicious, homemade quinoa roti. Serve these warm with your favorite curry, chutney, or a simple yogurt dip. They are a fantastic, healthy alternative to traditional flatbreads, packed with nutrients and flavor. We hope you enjoy making and sharing this recipe. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.